Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Mana. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, the price line of Mana was rejected by a quite long-term resistance of 85.6 cents. And this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout and this rally, and after this rejection by this long-term resistance of 85.6 cents, now the price line has broken down so many support levels, like we broke down this support of 70 cents and 60 cents, and now the price line is dropped down at the next support. Even for a while we broke it down, but now it is trying to break it out once again. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have broken out this 50 cents resistance, and now it is retesting the previous resistance as a support. If we move back to the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 50 cents has been previously breaking at the resistance here, and before that this 50 cents has been breaking at the support here. Therefore, now it can again work as a strong support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Mana that I shared on the 18th of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced a very, very massive, almost 113% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Mana that I shared on 18th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Mana was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected and as predicted, the price and drop down, completed the final leg and entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very, very massive reversal. And so far it has rallied almost 113%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Mana, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And recently you can see that for the past several months it was moving inside this channel since after the month of Feb 2024. We had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, another bounce here, rejection, bounce, and finally after this rejection here in the month of September, almost in the mid of September, the price and broke out the resistance of this channel, and the technical target for this breakout that I was telling you was here at the top of the channel that was approximately at 81 cents. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target up to this long-term resistance of 85.6 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And before that, it was working as a support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Mana. Now, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we need to break it out. And by the way, if we take a look at this previous breakout from this batch, you can see that on this 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern from the month of November 2021 up till the month of January 2023. The price and has been moving inside this batch, but after the breakout, when we had this powerful rally, this one first, the price line was rejected by this resistance of 85.6 cents, and we got another rejection here. And recently, the price line is once again rejected. Therefore, now to continue this rally to the upside that was in fact began here after the breakout from this wedge, we will need to break out this key resistance of 85.6 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern is by the way here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $6.50 to $7. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Bye.